Hi, and welcome to Business 101 with Mareevuitton. I'm Marie, and I'm excited to have you join me. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this series is designed to equip you with the essential knowledge and tools you need to thrive, from basic terminology to starting your business. Covered. This playlist is comprised of my responses to the questions that came in when I posed the following. Give me 1 to 2 questions about business or tax that you wish you knew more about. In this video, we're going to go over tax planning and strategy, but before we jump in, a quick reminder, this channel is about creating useful content that educates its viewers, and the way we know what topics are helpful to you is by clicking the thumbs up button below and sharing this video with others. But of course, we'd love to hear from you, so drop your questions and feedback in the comments below, and be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Last and certainly not the least, tax planning. Okay, you can see that I am at the irs.gov website. You can type in tax planning and this will pop up. You can see some things that you can do: organize tax records, identify filing status, understanding your adjusted gross income, which I've shared in other videos, check withholding, which I've also shared in other videos. You can make changes and save for retirement. You can also subscribe to the IRS tax tips, which I do, and I recommend it for everybody. We sign up for all these other things, but this is something that's important to our life and impactful. So that is what I'm going to share on tax planning. If you are consistently owing tax, the best way to plan for that is to understand how you can either increase your deductions, which I share in other videos, or you can make estimated payments at any time on this IRS website right here. See, you can make payments, you can view your account. It's a great place to start if you're behind on any taxes as well. So the last piece of information about tax planning that I want to share is, even if you file an extension, so for those of you that haven't filed your 2023 taxes yet and you filed an extension, that extension is for the tax return. Okay, so if you owe or anticipate to owe, you should have made a payment by now. Okay, because there will be interest and penalties. It doesn't exempt you or postpone or delay or push it out. The date due for your taxes for 2023 was back in April. Okay, and you can search that here. Actually, I'll do it now. 2023 tax deadline. Okay. And here you can clearly see that it's, these are the due dates for the filing year. You can see that it was on April 15th, and you can clearly see that if you can't file by the due date, you can request an extension of time to file. Please be aware that an extension of time to file is not an extension of time to pay. Okay, that's all I wanted to kind of point out, because that's very important to note. But you can also file an extension yourself at any time, or make a payment to extend. But the best way to plan or lessen the tax burden at the end of the year is to make estimated payment, to know what's going on, to be proactive as opposed to being on defense, right? And again, it's not what happened, it's what you can prove. Okay, that's about it. Leave your questions, comments, and feedback below, and hit subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.